Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Crypto Clout. I am your host, FaZe Crypto, and boy is it very exciting to watch what's been happening with Bitcoin, topping the $50,000 mark. Of course, at the current time of recording this video, we're looking at Bitcoin at $49,000, but very, very exciting to watch all the different things that have been happening in terms of cryptocurrency adoption. First things first, I want to talk about this Bloomberg article. Bitcoin topping $50,000 stirs forecast of run towards record highs. Bitcoin topped $50,000 for the first time since May as crypto price continued an ongoing recovery from, of course, what we recently just saw. Of course, it'll be very exciting to watch how a lot of these different things happen. But look at this, the Bloomberg article talking about, a revival in virtual currencies has excited the animal spirit for the crypto faithful, putting predictions of $100,000 or more for Bitcoin back in vogue. Others see the volatile asset carving out a wider trading range for now. So my perspective on this, just currently looking at the chart and the moment to moment and the, my analysis of market psychology and a lot of the different aspects of what we've been seeing happening in cryptocurrency is very, very exciting to watch how a lot of these different trends have been happening. Overall, it is very predictable. For the most part, if you can sort of get yourself out of the emotional roller coaster that is paying attention to cryptocurrency on a regular basis, it can be very, very tiresome. But at the same time, we have seen a very interesting market sustainability. Of course, looking at the technicals, we've got the market psychology meter here talking about a strong buy, or at least a pretty reasonable buy, which is interesting. So it shows that there's market confidence even at these high prices, which I consider to be a very interesting indicator of where we can expect these things to go. Of course, when we have to talk about things including not limited to concepts such as what we would talk about as like inflation. I want to look at this right here. The 1WMA 50. Of course, just looking at this, right here, it does sort of tell you the story. The bear cycle bounce on the 1WMA 50 right here, which of course occurred in April 18th. And of course the 5 straight green weeks, 7 green weeks, and of course when you look at this these indicators that we have all over the place, and of course the different aspects of market sell-off, I think that it will be interesting. 50K holds as resistance so far, which is expected. What needs to happen now is price rejection, the resistance area trying to now, bullish momentum following through, taking price into the 55K area, which would be very exciting to watch. And it is interesting to see just how a lot of these different variables, and of course the overall cryptocurrency paradigm shift that we've been watching happening, and just paying attention to the technical aspect has been very exciting to watch. Now, of course, with the price having had been at $30,000 at its low point, in this recent cycle, just looking at that on July 21st, and just how far we've come, just the big, a lot of gains being made there, which is very exciting. I think it does led some credibility to the the bulls, but of course this is just my perspective, but I think we could be in for a very interesting end of the year. I think as we continue to move, you all know what happens towards the end of the year. Usually that's a pretty volatile side for of course, if history repeats itself, which it commonly does. So it'll be very exciting to watch the bullish side, and the tragic comedy that's been unfolding in the cryptocurrency space. Of course, remember this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. I'm not your dad, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is merely my opinion. This is all just my perspective, my opinion. And I just enjoy talking about this stuff. I think the cryptocurrency space is full of some of the smartest people in the world right now. And hats off to everybody who's getting in early. We still are very early. I could expect some very interesting things happening with Bitcoin in the near future. So all that being said, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.